Kneecap cars to get rid of osteoarthritis, knee pain, post-surgical stiffness and pain, anything going on with your knee. Even if you've had a total knee replacement, kneecap cars help. If you have a kneecap, you need to do kneecap cars. What I'm talking about is, if you look down here, my kneecap, I have my legs straight and relaxed. So my quad is off. The kneecap should move very easily side to side and up and down. And a car activity is controlled articular rotation, and control simply you can replace with slow. Articular is full available pain-free range, and rotation is circles. Now, I have to say that when you make circles with your kneecap, sometimes it makes you dizzy or nauseous. That's okay, just take a break. If it's painful, back off. We want this to be pain-free input into the brain so that the brain can make the change and give you a little bit of freedom at the kneecap. I'm going to show you exactly what the kneecap is supposed to do. Then I'm going to show you how to do kneecap cars and about the speed at which you should do it. When I contract my quad, I'm locking out my knee. You notice my kneecap moves up, and when I relax, it moves down. Up, down. That is very important for your kneecap to do that so that it can stay central over the joint between your tibia, your shin bone, and your femur. When those two bones bend, you want the kneecap to ride in the middle where space is created. If your quad is always tight and the kneecap, when you contract, stays put, that means your kneecap is riding high, and every time you bend your knee, it's running into, not actually running into, but there's more tension, wear and tear on the back of the kneecap. So you're going to get crepitus, which is crunching and grinding. And if it's pain-free, that's okay, but it's not something you want to move forward, continuing to worsen and increase into pain. So how to do a kneecap car, you simply trap the kneecap, whether it's with your fingertips or here, and you're going to make circles. And you want to do slow circles with that kneecap so that you can explore all the available range. So I'm starting clockwise, I'll do 5, and then I'll go counterclockwise and do 5. If your kneecap does not move, you're just going to pretend it moves and do the same circular motion. If you keep it pain-free, your brain will register that it's supposed to move because something's always asking it to move, and then your brain will start to give you freedom, especially if you stay in that pain-free range. Kneecap cars should come before knee cars, but you can do them together, and we're going to do that in another video.